So we created here on our end an amazing opt-in funnel, an amazing promotion. Our super intelligent CEO Eric Salgado getting out there and just giving opportunities for many individuals who are looking for an opportunity now more than ever to just get online and take control of their freedom, take control of their finances, help their families, and make money on the side as well while they are working from home from their own jobs in corporations, right? So I'm going to highlight this funnel, and I was able to play a little part, and it was a really good one. So let's get right into it. I don't want to waste anyone's time. It is the weekend. Let's go. All right. So let me open here this. I'll share with you this right here. So this is the business opportunity $1 opt-in funnel, and this is your link right here in your funnel club. And make sure, guys, once again, if you haven't upgraded your subscription plan to the $69.90 plan, do it right now. You have a lot of people who are already affiliates and they already upgraded the subscription. They're getting many leads. They're getting many leads going to their BuildARaw account, right? And they're able to follow up via Melanie Boss, and they're coming in, and we have so many cool new members. All right. So continuing to highlight here this for you, let's open the window that I already have open the window here. So this is, look how cool this is looking. Love the color palette, love the purple, right? The purple is awesome. Start your dream business now with just $1. How easy it is right now for giving people the opportunity to get started for just $1 and having access to everything, all of the tools for $1. Okay, so this graphic is super cool. Eric here, the man. Starting a new business with $1, and they can just put their name, email, create password, and automatically start their account there for you guys. And you'll be able to follow up also them in your Melanie Boss. And it all begins with $1 in a dream. Isn't that cool? $1 in a dream, right? Everyone has $1, and everyone, it takes that. You know what's great about this $1 opt-in is because people like, you know what? I'm just going to try this for $1. What do I have to lose? I have access to all the tools. You know, this just might work for me. They don't have to ask nobody for permission. Just put $1 in there. It automatically gives them the opportunity to take their credit cards out, put it in there, and give BuildARaw a chance. And I know for a fact, once they give BuildARaw a chance, they're going to come and be part of the family. They're going to be able to get into the community. They're going to go there to the Facebook page and meet all of you guys out there as well, right? And we're going to welcome them with open arms. Okay, so breaking down this funnel, once they opt into here, start your dream business now, it takes them to this page right here. Oh, by the way, let me show you guys the video real quick.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Brian Meyer, and today I have the privilege to sit down with the CEO of BuildARaw.com. I mean, what a great guy, and he took a little time out of his schedule to speak with us to give a little bit of his information in his state, especially this epidemic and the coronavirus crisis going on globally. So I reached out to him today. He's got a lot of media going on today. A lot of people are, in the news are reaching out for information. Eric, I want to get on the call with you to talk about, especially the plan that BuildARaw has. What is that $1 plan that BuildARaw has in place for those who are affected with this coronavirus epidemic?
Hey, Brian, thank you, man. So, yes, this thing that we are creating, we don't have a $1 plan in BuildARaw, right? But when we saw what's happening and people are staying at home, some people are working from home, but some people, they are just at home hoping for the best, hoping for some help from the government.
Yeah, so they'll go through the entire video here for the $1 plan, and we explain why we did the $1 promotion, right? Because we don't do those kind of promotions. And but we did it, because everything that's going on with this epidemic across the globe. Now, once they get, once they opt in right down here, guys, they're going to go to this page. Start your dream business now with just $1 for the next 30 days. Get full access to premium plans, including all of our tools, bonus apps, trainings, and ready-to-go funnels. From a simple website to the most sophisticated sales funnels, BuildARaw's final result is unbeatable. This is why thousands of entrepreneurs, more than 100 countries, already trust BuildARaw to create, market, and sell online, right? So once they get here, they'll be able to see this other video here, access for just $1. And it's got all the little bio here, a micro bio on our CEO. and Builderall as well, right? Some of our features and everything that they're getting right here. This is an amazing funnel, guys. Whew, this is an amazing funnel. It's awesome. And you'll be able to join Builderall for just $1. Get full access to the premium plan now, all the Builderall tools, super bonus package, complete access to Builderall Funnel Club. Wow, they even get access to Builderall's Funnel Club, right? So that's huge. They're already going to have access to the Funnel Club for just $1 for the next 30 days, plus all the premium tools, everything for just $1. This, guys, you should be sharing this with everyone that you think needs this opportunity with everything that's going on now with the virus, or they're working from home. This has never been a better time to get people to have the power and the opportunity to create their own business, right? So this is it, guys. That is the dollar funnel, and I just wanted to do this on a Saturday for you because this funnel is super hot right now, and I'm sure it's going to bring you a lot of leads, and it's going to bring you also tremendous opportunity to build your network and give access to everyone to enjoy Builderall.com for the next 30 days for just $1 and have access to all the premium plan, including all of our tools, bonus apps, trainings, and ready to go funnel. All right. I hope everyone out there have a great weekend. This is Builderall Live. You guys, make sure you guys subscribe below and leave your comments below as well. And tomorrow is going to be Sunday, and I'm going to be back with another funnel to showcase here. And we're doing this every day, every single day. I'm going to showcase a new funnel for you guys. All right. Lots of things on the way, and it's great to see you guys all. All right. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, they came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site, or click map your fans, see the pages they like, or use the video rap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind, and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click, and knew I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.